In triangle ABC, x is any point. This is triangle ABC. X is any point on AC. This is segment AC and point X is on it. If Y, Z, U, V are the midpoints of AX, XC, AB and BC respectively, then prove that UI parallel VZ and UV parallel YZ. Look here, UI parallel VZ and UV parallel YZ. We will prove this. First we join BX. I will write this in proof. Therefore, we write here join segment BX. Okay, therefore here we get in triangle ABX, in triangle ABX we have given what is points U and Y are midpoints. U and Y are midpoints of segment AB and segment AX. Therefore, if U and Y are midpoints of AB and AX respectively, then by using midpoint theorem, we use midpoint theorem. Therefore, by midpoint theorem, UI parallel, this UI parallel BX and this UI is equal to half of BX. UI half of BX. This is our equation number 1. Same way, therefore, similarly in triangle BCX, this V is the midpoint of segment BC and Z is the midpoint of segment XC. Therefore, we write here, I will write directly without sentence. First, listen carefully, look here. V is the midpoint of segment BC and Z is the midpoint of segment XC. Therefore, same way by midpoint theorem in this triangle BCX. We write here, therefore, VZ parallel BX and this VZ is equal to half of BX. This is our equation number 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, this is equation number 1. Here BX and here BX means UY parallel to BX and here VZ parallel to BX. This BX same. Therefore, instead of writing BX, we write UY parallel VZ. Therefore, UI parallel VZ and here UI is equal to half of BX and here VZ is equal to half of BX means this half BX same, so we write therefore UI is equal to VZ. Okay, therefore, see this. Here UY parallel VZ, and I have written here UY is equal to VZ because both are equal with half of BX. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that here UV parallel YZ and UV is equal to YZ. Therefore, we get our two proof, that is UY parallel VZ and UV parallel YZ.